Ooh la la. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'll be showing you how to make the Zobo drink. Come with me. So the Zobo drink is made from hibiscus flowers or hibiscus leaves. This is something I grew up drinking in Nigeria and it's pretty popular back home. I believe the Jamaicans also make something similar called the sorrel drink. For my Americans, this is, I think it's called the Florida cranberry. It looks just like this. But yeah, hibiscus flowers. I got this from the African store. Oh, no, it was the international market. The KNS International Market was where I got this from. And it looks just like this. We're going to go straight to making our drink. You can already see some of the ingredients in the background, but we'll get into every single one of them. Here, I'm just rinsing out the flowers. You want to rinse this under warm water for like 2 turns. Rinse it out like twice, pretty much. Rinse it into your pot with warm water, which will start to boil in just a moment. So here, you saw that it was like almost finished. I make this pretty often, and this is about 1 cup of the leaves that I have in here. So I rinsed it thoroughly, transferred it into my pot, and then we're gonna be going in with a pineapple. Here, I'm just gonna cut the pineapple back. Pineapple back is what I need for this drink. If you're not aware, the pineapple back is also very, very medicinal. Just like I think the hibiscus flower is medicinal. A lot of people say it helps cure inflammation. It helps with gut health, gut and liver health. It helps with, topically for like skin issues and all of that. But back to the video, I just washed up my pineapple bags and I transferred it into the pot. I like to juice, so my actual pineapple is not going to go to waste. Here I just washed up 1 lemon and 4 mini oranges. The orange is optional. I like to add this just for taste. This is what I had at home, so I just used 4 of that. And I'm just gonna cut them up however you want to. I had the lemon squeezer up because I thought I was gonna cut it a different way and then squeeze it, but then I changed my mind while I was making this. So just cut it off, remove the middle stem or core or whatever that is called, and just cut up your oranges, all of that good stuff, and add it into your pot. I'm actually very lazy when it comes to peeling fresh ginger, as you can see. I just take off some of the skin. The skin isn't going to harm you. I think it's actually very medicinal as well. So I rinse it out, cut it up, and throw it in the pot. Add some more water just to kind of like fill up the pot and cover all of the things I've thrown in so far. We're going to cover this and come back in 30 minutes. And in 30 minutes, this is the goodness we have. Looks something like this. Whew. Boy, oh boy. And next up, I'm going to try to take all of this out. Now, I do not recommend doing this while the whole pot and its content is still boiling. You need to hold on, turn off the heat, and let it cool off before you attempt to take anything off. Please let it cool off before you attempt to take anything off. That's better, that's easier, it's less stressful that way, and you don't risk burning yourself like me. Anyway, you might ask, where did my pineapple go? Like I said, I love to juice. I just juiced my pineapple with fresh ginger, and I put it in this mason jar and store it in my fridge. I just drink it randomly or add it to stuff. I love to do this every now and then. But yeah, that's my pineapple juice. I saved some for this drink. Typically, people add sugar to the Zobo drink. Now, I've been saying a lot of medicinal, medicinal, medicinal. I try not to add sugar to this drink often. I just sweeten it with pineapple, fresh pineapple juice, 100% pineapple juice. Like I just poured in now, and then I don't add sugar to it. But when I have my friends coming over or if I'm hosting people, Zobo is not the same if it's not sweet. So I try to add sugar to it for my friends and family that come over. If it's your first time trying Zobo drink, for this quantity, you want to add in half a cup of sugar. Half a cup of sugar is good for this quantity we have right here. And again, please don't do this. I was just being lazy. That's why I decided to just take it off at this point. I was supposed to let it cool off before attempting to take anything off or out of the pot. But yes, once this is cool, let's just pretend this is cool right now. You take all of that off, and then you want to sieve this over like a fine mesh. You can use what I have on screen right now, and if you don't, you can sieve, over and over until you get rid of all of the particles. I just threw that out, rinsed the bowl, and brought back the sieve. I was going to use this measuring cups to scoop my drink, but then I realized that was too small. Now, these are just drinking water bottles that I save in my pantry for drinks like this and other stuff that I want to store in the refrigerator. So you might want to start saving some bottles. I saved this from the day before because I knew I was going to make this today. And I basically just poured my drink into this sieve to get out all of the particles. As you can see, I don't have any particles left. You can do this once or twice to ensure that all the particles are gone. And then I transferred the drink into this jug so it makes it easier for me to pour into the drinking water bottles. And this is what it looks like once it's cooled off completely. No, it's actually for real cold now. Then I transferred into the bottles. It made about 4 to 5 bottles. And then I also served myself a glass almost immediately. That's a huge chunk of pineapple over ice. And there you have it. I try to garnish with pineapple. You can garnish with cucumber slices, oranges, whatever. But here's the drink. I hope you like this. I hope you try it. Please like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.